Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into Meta's brand new release, Llama 4, their latest open-source large language model family. Meta partnered with me to bring you a full breakdown of Llama 4, the different versions, and how you can try it yourself, even download it if you're a developer. Let's jump right in. Llama 4 comes in three distinct sizes: Scout, Maverick, and Behemoth. Think of Scout as the smallest, Maverick as the mid-sized option, and Behemoth as the heavyweight. All three models are multimodal, they can understand both text and images, but the real game changer here is the context window. Scout, the smallest version, features an astonishing 10 million token context window. To put that into perspective, GPT-4o caps out at 128,000 tokens. Gemini previously led with 2 million tokens. Scout blows past both with 10 million tokens, roughly equivalent to 5 million words. This leap drastically changes how we interact with large language models, enabling deeper conversations, handling massive documents, and pushing toward what Meta calls infinite context windows. Scout is a general-purpose multimodal model packed with 17 billion active parameters, 109 billion total parameters, 16 experts in a mixture of experts, MO, system. What does that mean? Instead of firing up all 109 billion parameters every time, Scout smartly activates only about 17 billion, depending on the task, making it way more efficient and faster. Thanks to this design, one single NVIDIA H100 GPU can run Scout, extremely resource-friendly for such high performance. And again, the 10 million token context window is currently unmatched by any other model, open or closed source. Meta is clearly paving the way for infinite context, a massive improvement over the old days when we had just 8,000 tokens to work with in 2022. Next up is Llama 4 Maverick. 128 experts. 400 billion total parameters. Still only 17 billion active parameters at a time. Maverick manages to outperform GPT-4o, Gemini 2.0 Flash, and DeepSeek version 3.1 across multiple benchmarks. It's not just powerful, it's cost-effective, starting around 19 cents per 1 million input and output tokens, comparable to Gemini and cheaper than many other competitors. And when it comes to coding and reasoning, Maverick keeps up with the best, despite using half the active parameters that others require, meaning less hardware, less cost, and better performance. Finally, we have the Llama 4 Behemoth, currently still in preview, meaning it's still being trained, but already flexing its muscles. 2 trillion total parameters. 288 billion active parameters. 16 experts. Even in its unfinished state, Behemoth outperforms models like Gemini 2.0 Pro and Claude Sonnet 3.7 on STEM-focused benchmarks. When Behemoth is fully released, it's expected to dominate the field, showing how open-source innovation is catching up with and surpassing closed systems. One of the biggest advantages of Llama 4 being open-source is freedom. Unlike closed models like GPT or Claude that require you to use their APIs, open-source models like Llama 4 can be self-hosted, customized, fine-tuned for specific needs. This means businesses and developers have more control over their applications without being tied down by API costs and restrictions. Want to give it a spin? Here's how. Request access directly from Meta to download Scout or Maverick. Behemoth isn't available for download yet. You can also try Llama 4 on sites like meta.ai, Meta's own AI platform. Another fantastic site is Grok, chat.grok.com, where you can select Scout or Maverick and interact almost instantly with blazing fast responses. Meta has even integrated Llama 4 into apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram, making it even easier to access the model in everyday interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI deep dives. See you in the next one.